Good morning, everybody. Thank you for all for coming here, and thank you, Talia and the CICC team for such a fantastic event. My name is Maital Rasmussen. I'm the director of product marketing at Oracle Healthcare, where we accelerate the evolution of human care by providing solutions for precision medicine and genomic data, along with clinical data, financial data, up to population health analytics. Today, I'm delighted to interview Patrick Tata, who is a sales and marketing executive at Lexifone. So Patrick, tell us a little bit about Lexifone.
Sure. Thank you for having me. Lexifone is the world's first automated in-call interpretation service, meaning you could pick up a phone, a mobile device, a landline, SIP client on your desktop, speak your native language, and Lexifone will interpret that real time to one of 20 languages that we currently have. The far end will hear it in their native language, they speak back, it comes back into my native language. So it's real-time communication. We do translation, and the technology works where it's translating as you're speaking in parallel, and the system senses that you're done talking. You could speak sentence after sentence, paragraph after paragraph, minute after minute. When you're done, we'll push out the translation to the far end. So it's speech recognition to text, and then text to translate. We optimize multiple engines, and we write algorithms to enhance the acoustic modeling. So it's very important that we understand what you say so we can translate it. And when we do that, these algorithms are getting to know you and your voice. So the acoustic modeling is very important. That's part of our secret sauce. And then we optimize, as I mentioned, multiple engines.
So it sounds like, people like me and probably many people in the room actually needs it, because we do, in this global market, we work with multiple countries. And so
Yeah, you said it. It's a global economy. Language services are growing around 12% annually. Between interpretation and translations, it's nearly a $50 billion industry. So people need it. What Lexifone offers is the ability to have it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on your mobile phone in your pocket, on your desktop. It's around 10 to 15 times less expensive than having a human interpreter. It's all software driven. We put human voices together by software, and then we push that out. It's just like having a third-party interpreter in the room. So you're speaking, it's understanding, we push out the translation, and the other end hears both the English, for me, English native language, and the translation. It's important because we want to hear the emotion in your voice, in that native language. So again, it's a global market. Import, export, manufacturing is going into new markets. More people are traveling. It's that much bigger of a market for our business, and we're giving someone the option to use it anytime they want, and less expensive than a human interpreter. Human interpreters are anywhere from $1 to $5 per minute, and we're on average around 16 cents per minute, so it's affordable for everyone.
sounds like you're solving a big problem. Talk to me a little bit about the use cases that you have right now.
Sure. So some examples right now. ZTE is a major mobile manufacturer in China. They're putting us on all their mobile devices. They manufacture 20 plus million phones annually. The British police, working with British Telecom, with the immigrant population in the UK and in several European countries, they need to communicate with people, and it's hard to do that. So on the fly, we're helping them in police stations communicate. There's a major international hotel chain who has hotels throughout the US, in Canada, and maybe a couple in Portugal or Brazil. They don't want to staff those people. They don't want to hire, fire, train. They don't want to outsource it. It's very expensive. So they're in phase 2 test with us to use it for their call center. The technology works both outgoing and incoming. One other scenario use case is a major European airline that wanted to use our technology in transit areas, so ticket counters, gate counters, where there's several different foreign nationals traveling through. How do we communicate with these people time face-to-face. So face-to-face is one component of our technology, but you could pick up the phone and dial to the other side of the world. So the turnkey solution for us is providing the telephony, the translation, but we also have an SDK. So if you're a developer and you're a video conferencing company and you want to do translation as part of your video conference, we'll enable them. We'll give them the ability to tap into our platform in the cloud and use our translation services.
That's great. What is your business roadmap? Where are you heading?
Yeah, so we're looking to partner with distribution channels, service providers, OEMs, to really get our product out there. It's commercially available today. Consumer, anyone could go on our website right now, log in their phone number, their email. Everyone gets 10 free minutes to test the product, use it, and if you want to continue, just build up some minutes. It's 16 cents a minute, as I mentioned, so you could buy an hour for $10. But distribution partners, particularly in Asia, Europe, and the U.S. We have one partner that's helping us financially in China to help build a development center because they want more dialects in that region. So we feel distribution partners is the best way to do that.
That's great. And what are you looking for here today?
We're an early revenue company. We've raised $4 million to date, seed money, and a second Series A, and I think we'll be considering a financial partner for that, and then just again grow it internationally.
That's great. And I wonder about the team. It sounds like you have a great team in place.
Yeah, sure. I'm the sales and marketing guy. There's 12 people in the company. Most of them R&D in Haifa, Israel. The CEO is in Rochester, New York, along with myself and one other person. But Dr. CICC, 30 years plus computational linguistics experience. He was the founder and CTO of Attunity. He headed the IBM Language Services Group. So this is his little baby, if you will, and he has a great team in Israel, mostly programmers that are helping enhance the product, grow into new languages. And then our leader, CEO, Steve Dubnik, who unfortunately couldn't be here, has 30 plus years in the telecommunications space. So he's chairman, founder, and CEO of two companies that he helped grow to $1 billion valuation and exit. So that's
wow. Strong team,
good team.
Ready for success.
Yeah.
Any questions? No? That's good.
All right.
Thank you so much, Patrick.
Thank you.